When disaster strikes, having the right gear could mean the difference between panic and control. Imagine stepping into the wild with nothing but a backpack, yet still being able to build shelter, purify water, defend yourself, and stay powered up. In this video, we're counting down the 30 coolest doomsday survival gadgets of 2025. From futuristic weapons to clever everyday carry tools, these innovations show what survival in the future really looks like. Get comfortable, because here we go.
Be like magic, be like fire.
Number 30. Gerber Bushcraft Axe. This is more than an axe. It's a survival companion. With a forged steel head built for strength and precision, it handles everything from splitting firewood to building shelter. But the clever design goes further. The waterproof handle hides tinder, matches, or paracord, so you always have the basics close at hand. Add a secure rubber grip that won't slip in rain or snow, and you've got a rugged tool built for control, durability, and endless outdoor use. Number 29. Savvada Kahakka Backpack. Every survivor needs a reliable pack, and this one is a beast. A 15-liter frame that expands to 20 liters means you'll never run out of room for food, tools, or medical gear. A hydration compartment keeps water on demand, while the removable foam backpad doubles as a sitting mat when the ground is unforgiving. Crafted with cordura and secured with SR buckles, it's not just tough, it's smart, compact, and designed to endure long treks into the unknown. Number 28. Nitecore NWL-20 Flashlight. In survival, light is life. This compact flashlight delivers serious illumination with dual modes that balance brightness and battery saving. It's powered by replaceable batteries, so unlike rechargeable-only models, it won't fail when power is scarce. With high color rendering, you see every detail in the dark. Whether you're setting up camp or checking gear at night, lightweight and rugged, it belongs in every bug-out bag. Number 27. Mountain D2 Kukri, a blade that's feared and respected across centuries, reborn for modern survival. The Kukri's curved edge bites deep with every strike, and the D2 steel keeps its razor sharpness for months. At 21 centimeter long with perfect balance, it gives you chopping power without sacrificing control. The ergonomic, rubberized grip means comfort even after hours of use. This isn't just a knife, it's a weapon, a tool, and a symbol of strength in the wild. Number 26. OSAPB-4SP Tactical Pistol. Imagine a firearm designed for defense, but safe enough for civilian use. This tactical pistol fires metal-cord rubber bullets that pack a serious punch without being lethal. Lightweight, compact, and fitted with an integrated laser sight, it ensures precision even under stress. With an electrical priming system and cartridges built for reliability, it's a defensive tool that's fast, efficient, and ready when you need it most. Number 25. Survival Paracord Bracelet. Something so small it fits on your wrist, yet it could save your life. Inside this bracelet, a fire starter, compass, whistle, and 12 feet of military-grade paracord. Start a fire, signal for help, secure a shelter, or rig gear together. Simple, durable, and always with you. It's one of those tools you don't realize you need until you desperately do. Number 24. Portable Solar Charger. The sun never runs out of power, and with this foldable solar charger, neither will you. Compact yet capable, it unfolds to deliver energy to multiple devices through USB ports, perfect for phones, flashlights, radios, or GPS trackers. It keeps you connected and prepared when the grid is gone. Lightweight enough to carry anywhere, it's a lifeline for both convenience and survival. Number 23. Getxgo Survival Kit. This kit proves that life-saving tools don't need to be bulky. Packed inside are items for fire starting, navigation, first aid, and signaling, all organized for quick access. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or facing an emergency at home, it gives you confidence knowing the basics are always within reach. Number 22. United Cutlery. M48 Spear. The spear is one of humanity's oldest weapons, and this is its tactical evolution, with a stainless steel blade measuring nearly 11 inches and a reinforced aluminum shaft. It's powerful and precise. Better yet, the entire spear breaks down for easy transport and comes with a protective sheath. Whether for hunting, defense, or wilderness adventures, it's raw power you can carry anywhere. Number 21. Instant Fire Matches. These aren't your average matches. Stored in a waterproof, floating case, they strike in any weather and burn for up to 15 seconds each. Even after being submerged, they relight instantly. Their extended length keeps your fingers safe while starting fires in tough conditions. Compact, lightweight, and utterly reliable, because when you need fire, you can't afford failure. Number 20. X2 Climbing Steps. When the high ground is your only option, these steps get you there. Built from lightweight but ultra-strong materials, each step holds up to 160 kilograms. With 25-centimeter wide platforms, sand-coated surfaces, and V-shaped teeth, slipping is nearly impossible. The slide lock system ensures secure attachment, making tree climbs or vertical scaling far safer and more efficient. Number 19. Micro Sharpener. A dull blade is dangerous. This pocket-sized sharpener keeps knives in peak condition with a diamond plate for coarse edges, a ceramic rod for fine honing, and built-in angle guides. Hidden inside are Torx bits that handle most folding knife adjustments. Lightweight, portable, and reliable, it ensures your most important tools never fail when you need them sharp. Number 18. Nebo Bat Light. Flashlight, or weapon. This compact beast does both. With a 1500 lumen beam, it lights up the darkest trails, while the defensive strobe disorients potential threats. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum with a textured grip, it doubles as a self-defense baton. Waterproof and durable, it's a light that commands respect. Number 17. KUIU HD Flex. Waders crossing rivers or trudging through swamps. These waders keep you dry and moving, built with 4-layer breathable fabric, reinforced knees and shins, and neoprene boots lined with fleece. They're designed for harsh conditions. Lightweight at under 3 kilograms, they remain comfortable even in waist-deep water. Number 16. LifeSaver Wayfarer. Clean water isn't optional. It's survival. The Wayfarer filters out bacteria, viruses, and pathogens with 0.02 micron precision. Capable of purifying 5,000 liters, it works faster than boiling or tablets. Just fill, press, and drink. It's hydration made simple and safe. Number 15. Walkabout Swag Shelter. An ultralight shelter weighing just 1.5 kilos, yet tough enough to withstand storms. Made with nanopore fabric that resists 20,000 millimeter of water pressure, it's breathable and protective. 3 aluminum poles keep it sturdy, while its compact pack size makes it perfect for off-grid travel. This isn't just a tent, it's personal security in the wilderness. Number 14.9 km DWLIFE Kevlar cord. Cordage is vital, and this one's on another level. Resistant to stretching, snapping, and even fire, it's strong enough to scrape across rocks without fraying. It can double as a saw, hold heavy loads, or support cooking setups over open flames. UV protection ensures it won't weaken under the sun. Lightweight yet unstoppable. It's strength in a spool. Number 13. Leveraxe. Splitting wood is exhausting, unless you've got this. The Leveraxe uses a pivoting strike to split logs with minimal effort. Instead of brute force, it uses physics. The hollow handle reduces weight, while the off-center head improves control and safety. It's wood processing reimagined. Efficient, safe, and powerful. Number 12. LifeStraw Escape Tank. A survival water station you can trust. With a 20-liter capacity, it filters 1 liter per minute through triple-stage purification, removing dirt, bacteria, viruses, and improving taste with activated carbon. A built-in pressure release valve prevents blowouts, and its lifespan stretches to 18,000 liters. Number 11. Hibben. Expendables 2 Bowie Knife. This isn't just a knife, it's a legend. Inspired by cinema, but built for real-world durability, its 35-centimeter stainless steel blade commands respect. An ivory-colored handle with a gold-plated guard adds flair, while the leather sheath ensures readiness. Both a collector's dream and a practical survival blade, it's where style meets function. Number 10. DESOLVE Camouflage. This isn't just fabric, it's science. Tested with deer vision filters, its patterns break up depth perception, making you disappear into the wild. Whether you're hunting or just staying hidden, this camo outsmarts the environment itself. Number 9. JV Survival Card. A full survival kit that fits in your wallet. German stainless steel. Precision cut with hooks, spear tips, saw blades, and even atlatl parts. Build a trident, fashion a harpoon, or set snares, all from something that weighs just 60 grams. It's proof that big solutions can come in small packages. Number 8. XYEAN's Motion Detector. A tiny guardian for your camp. With a 100-degree infrared sensor and flashing LED strobes, it deters intruders and animals alike. Waterproof and rugged, it syncs with smart devices to alert you instantly. Clip it, hang it, or set it around your perimeter. Peace of mind has never been this compact. Number 7. Steambow. AR-6 Stinger 2 Crossbow. A repeating crossbow that fires 6 bolts in seconds. Silent, accurate, and lightweight. It's perfect for hunting or defense without drawing attention. Modular and easy to handle. It's a powerhouse in a compact frame. Number 6. XYEAN Multi-Tool. A palm-sized powerhouse. Knife, carabiner, scraper, glass breaker, bottle opener. All in a 133-gram frame of steel and aerospace aluminum. Quick to deploy, versatile, and reliable. It's built for survival and daily use alike. Number 5. MSR Explore Snowshoes. Snow can stop the unprepared, but not you. Handmade with EVA pads, ergonomic ratchets, and heel lifts, these snowshoes make uphill climbs and long hikes possible. Lightweight, yet built for years of use, they turn frozen landscapes into walkable terrain. Number 4. UCO Candle Lantern. Sometimes simplicity wins. This lantern runs not on batteries, but a single candle that burns up to 12 hours. Its spring-loaded design keeps the flame steady, while its 181-gram weight makes it easy to carry. Functional, cozy, and brilliantly reliable. Number 3. SparkX Survival Tool. Fire, blade, glass breaker, pry bar, packed into a pen-sized titanium body. Its waterproof compartment holds essentials, while the ferro rod ensures fire on demand. Small, sleek, and tough, it's survival in your pocket. Number 2. Viper Avac 6 One Tool. 4 functions: knife, flashlight, fire starter, and even a hand crank generator. Compact, rugged, and versatile. It's a survival multi-tool designed for modern challenges. Number 1. Ranger 1000 Rangefinder. When accuracy is everything, this tool delivers. Its advanced laser system measures vast distances with precision, helping you scout terrain, plan movements, and make the right call. Rugged, compact, and reliable. It's built for adventurers who refuse to guess. That's our countdown of the 30 coolest Doomsday survival gadgets of 2025. Which one would you pack first? Tell us in the comments below. All the mentioned product links are in the description. And remember, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching.